How to create or open the Grubhub driver account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about creating or opening Grubhub driver account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer or your mobile device and simply type in driver.grubhub.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across the official website of Grubhub for drivers, and from here you have to simply choose a state and a city you're residing in. Then simply click on next. On this page, enter your first name in this designated area and your last name, followed by a correct form of your email address and your phone number. After that, simply go ahead and check this box that you agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on next. Lastly, you will be required to download the application and proceed with your application process by following the prompts displayed on the screen within the app. And this is the process for registering as a Grubhub driver. We appreciate you all for tuning in, and if you haven't already, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post tech videos almost daily. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.